Have you ever suffered humiliation at work? Are your efforts appreciated by your boss? Because if they're not, it's probably time you quit this job. I'll tell you how I quit mine. I used to work in sales in the food industry, and I had sacrificed many years to build a career. But no matter how hard I tried, it was never enough for my boss. He had to squeeze me out, and he also thought he had the right to yell at me. You can imagine I used to go back home devastated. I was miserable at the time. But I didn't know how to escape this rat race. I wanted to start my own business, but all options were too expensive and risky. I also searched for how to make money online, but I didn't trust pretty much anything online. This was until I found a supportive online community that guided me step by step through building my first online business, and this was basically the beginning of a new life for me. If you're interested in starting your online business, risk-free, I'll be more than happy to share with you the same free video workshop series that helped me get started. The great thing is that we will never be left alone in your journey. The community will guide you and support you all the way until you succeed. You can press the Learn More button somewhere on the screen, write down your email, and we'll immediately send you the free videos so you can understand how to join the ongoing laptop revolution, where literally millions of people worldwide are finally becoming financially independent. Everyone is shopping online nowadays, so there are endless opportunities out there. And watch out, you don't need any previous experience or technical skills. You don't even need any products or ideas. I only knew how to buy things online. The only thing is that you need is a laptop and an internet connection to start a business online without even quitting your day job until you replace your income. I did it working evenings and weekends around my job. You may also think, oh, I'm too old to start a new adventure. Well, let me tell you, there are people over 60 in the communities that are starting from scratch because they want to enjoy true freedom. You will promote whatever you are passionate about globally, so there are no limitations. Well, trading our time and dignity for money is just unfair. At least you now know there's a way out. Me and the community will be happy to grow together with you. I suggest you hit the Learn More button, watch the free videos, and decide for yourself if this makes any sense to you or not. Or you prefer to continue with the traditional job forever. You have nothing to lose. Hope to see you on the other side. Bye for now.